Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Ottogi cheese ramen. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of Ottogi ramen, 1 slice of cheese, and 2 cups of water. For extra flavor, consider adding an egg, some green onions, or even a dash of milk. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's cook the noodles. Pour 2 cups of water into a small pot and bring it to a rolling boil. Once boiling, add the Ottogi ramen noodles and the dried vegetable flakes from the packet. Cook these for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring gently now and then to ensure they cook evenly and don't stick together. This step is crucial for perfect noodle texture. Now for the flavor. Once your noodles are cooked to your liking, turn off the heat. Carefully stir in the entire packet of ramen soup base powder until it's fully dissolved. Immediately place your slice of cheese directly on top of the hot noodles. Cover the pot with a lid for about 1 minute. The residual heat will perfectly melt the cheese into a creamy, delicious layer. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your creation. Carefully pour the hot, cheesy ramen into your favorite serving bowl. If you prepared any optional toppings like a soft-boiled egg or chopped green onions, now is the perfect time to add them. Serve your delicious Ottogi cheese ramen immediately while it's still wonderfully hot and comforting. Enjoy every flavorful bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.